Hi everyone, thank you so much for clicking on this video. And today you are going to be very ecstatic watching this video. You know that you must have realized seeing my background how it is looking. It is totally greeny, guys, and it's totally serene, and definitely it will give you good vibes as well. So due to that, I have chosen this place to make a video. And by the way, I was getting bored staying at home and watching mobile phone. So due to that, now it is 2 o'clock. Okay, so I thought to go outside, and my father was here, and the moment I arrived here, he left for home collecting some woods. Because today it was raining very heavily, very heavy rain, you can say pouring. It was pouring in the morning for 2 to 3 hours. And due to that, if we don't collect woods, then of course it will be very hard for us or challenging for us to make fire and prepare foods. So due to that, he collected some woods, and now he taken to our home. So very happily we can make fire and prepare foods. Guys, do you remember this flower? Yes, it has got totally fade, guys. But when it is totally blossoming on the plant, then it's look very beautiful, charming and attractive, guys. So there are other flowers also on the plant, so that you can see, but most of the flowers are looking yellow and fair, you can say fair white. Okay. So if you know, then of course, I mean to say that if you are growing in your area, then of course you can recognize it in no time. But in the case of not growing such plants, then of course you are not aware about it. But guys, if you have watched my videos, and if you are watching my videos on the daily basis, then you must have seen my hard work on this land. That day we all family members as well as other people had come to this land, and we walked, and we sowed seeds into the soil, and finally after putting lots of efforts, and after 2 to 3 months we have grown this level of plants, guys. And this is none other than our cotton plants. So anyway, guys, what to say, just I'm also perplexed. Perplexed माने होची confused, या मुझे confused होची कौन कोई भी कौन नहीं, कारण just मुझे फोन करे पे किसी मो टाइम टाक पास करिया पे जस्ट लैंड को आसी. मोस्ट ऑफ द व्यू माने मोर वीडियो देखि तो बहुत वीडियो गुडी को मो लैंड ही बनाए, कहना भल लागे जस्ट ए लैंड रे बुलिया को याडे वीडियो बनाया पे. So now let me go little bit deeper into this cotton plant. Now it has grown. So now these plants have grown taller than me, guys. So if I go inside this land, then I may not be visible as well. And when it comes to my parents, so they are shorter than me. However, I'm not visible. So what would I say about my parents? Sorry, guys, there are some ants. They are biting. Yes, guys, just one thing I just want to let you know. I also try to cover all of those vocabs that I remember, and if other person uses that, then I understand, okay. But when I try to use in my English, that time that doesn't come on the spot. And of course our vocabs make our English more beautiful and engaging and informative, but it's all about practicing, guys. If you learn one simple word today, and if you directly start using it, then you may not get that proper word while speaking. But it takes time to have that flow using those all words in your sentences, guys. So have patience for that. So guys, today my father was concerning about falling these flowers of this plant, I mean to say, because if flowers fall off this plant, then how we can get cotton. So due to that, for we need to use here some chemical, I mean we need to spread some chemical on the plants. Only then we can retain and we can stop losing flowers from this plant. So anyway guys, so now it's time to end this video, and let me show you other sides in nature as well of our land. So guys, this is a small pond where we have stored our water, and emergency time just we use this water for washing dishes, and we give this water to our oxen as well to drink. And behind this tree you can see our hut where we protect ourselves by hiding in rainy season, and when there is very sunny, so any type of this is that hot I reached here, and that is that place where I usually sit and make video guys. And this is my bullet I have parked here. So guys, what about you? What do you do in your free time, in your spare time? In my case, whenever I get free time, just to be very honest guys, I try to spend my time in this nature, coming here and speaking English for some time, making videos, and yeah, if there is any work on the land, then I just contribute myself in that work, and just I enjoy guys. I don't think just for the sake of making this video just I'm throwing my words, not at all guys. I told you, to be very honest, I just do that. So I would recommend you guys, if you are not, if you are an English learner, due to that you are watching this video, so don't faff around. Don't faff around means don't waste your time guys. So try to engage yourself in speaking. I know you don't have any partner, so due to that I'm suggesting you guys, like me, you can also start making videos, not for the sake of getting views on YouTube, but for the sake of you know that, what is called that, to keep your English speaking memory somewhere, because YouTube is that kind of platform. If you don't get views, then also you can save your memory guys uploading there, because this is very secret, and if you delete from your device, then also that will be stored very safely on YouTube. So do this and don't judge your every mistake which I apply in my English journey guys. I don't try to figure out my mistakes, I only keep speaking, okay? And the moment I conclude my speaking on the video, then I remember like what type of errors today I have made, and then I improve myself. And to improve, you know, nowadays we have great source which is our ChatGPT. If you make any type of mistakes and if you don't realize, then go to ChatGPT and ask, then definitely that will give you a refined version of your English, and that will correct you 100%. So that's what you do guys. Actually, you know, I'm not feeling well yesterday just because of getting wet in the rain, so I'm you know getting headache guys, and I have not even taken a bath today. I just went to the pond and freshened off with water, and just I had my lunch. That's all guys. And my mother is also not in our village, means at home. She has gone to my sister's village, so she is there, and I think she may return after 1 or 2 days, she told me. No guys, I can speak more. So that's all for today. Now I will sit here for some time. After that I will leave for my home because I have online classes from 3 o'clock to 4:30. You can say 3 online classes guys, so due to that I need to go. So first of all, yeah, I will stay here for some time. spend here with this natural environment, then yeah, I'll think to go. So guys, if you're unable to speak, then you must be wondering how I am speaking effortlessly. Effortlessly means not fluently, guys, means easily. I have practiced, guys, a lot in my past. You are seeing this highlight only, but if you look into my past, then I have also worked hard to improve this language. So I didn't get success overnight, but lots of effort I put, and day in day out I practiced. Then I have reached to this level of speaking this English. So thank you, guys. I cannot speak more, so I'm so thankful for you viewers that you have watched till now. And yeah, very soon I'll bring one more video related to vocabs, how you can learn more vocabs easily, and how you can get visual. So till then, just take care. Bye bye. Thank you for watching.